वेलकम टू रामन साइंस सेंटर एंड इट्स सबको समझ में आ गया इंग्लिश में बात करूं चलिए
Yes, yes.
आपको बोला यू ऑल कैन अंडरस्टैंड सबको ओके सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू सी today's mission Aditya, right? We'll take some information regarding this mission today first of all, and then we'll continue with solar system show. Okay, that is our usual show what we conduct here. Well, so let us try to know about the sun and our mission Aditya, right? What is mission Aditya? You know that, right?
To go to the sun.
To go to the sun. Why to go to the sun?
Sir, to check and search about the temperature.
What research and why it is needed to do research about the sun?
So that we can know.
क्यों हमको जरूरत पड़ती है ऐसे मिशन की?
So that we can know how the sun makes its energy and we can apply it on the earth.
No, what I mean to say is, see, we believe that you are our future scientists, right? You will work for India, right? Or work for the world. So we are going to send you in the space, right? There will be our laboratory. Of course, we have laboratories there, right? Space laboratories, and some of our astronauts they go there, they remain over there for 3-4 months, and then they come back, right? You know that. And we have our satellite system. We send some satellites, artificial satellites. Those are going around the Earth, right? But they are away from the Earth. Now, sun is a very dynamic object, right? You can see here, the sun is about 15 crore kilometer away from the Earth. That is 150 million किलोमीटर अवे फ्रॉम द इतना दूर है ये हमारे अर्थ से ठीक है अब व्हाट बेसिकली दिस सन इज अ ball of gases, hot gases. Mainly we believe that it is made out of two gases, and those are hydrogen and helium. Now about 92% of hydrogen gas is there, and 8% is converted into helium, right? And when this hydrogen, two atoms of hydrogen fuse together, right? They turn into the nucleus of helium. So there is a nuclear fusion. This is called nuclear fusion. What reactions we carried out in the laboratories is chemical reactions. During that reactions, what happens? Only electron interact with each other. There is a transfer of electron from one atom to other, and they combine together, right? So this is chemical reaction. This is outer, what we call the in the outer cell, okay, not in the nucleus. Nucleus remain intact. However, in nuclear reactions, what happens? Nuclear is the part of the reaction. So here in this case, in case of sun, what is happening is basically two nucleus of two different hydrogen atoms, they fuse together to form another nucleus which is of heavier size, right? That is called helium. So during this reaction, there is a lot of ejection of heat and energy, right? And that energy comes to us and we see it in the form of visible light, right? Now, this is a very huge body. Suppose if you want to compare this with our Earth, what is the size? Okay, so let us imagine we have sun in the solar system, which is the central body. Then we have different planets. Nowadays we count them 8 planets, right? And all satellites of these planets, they are revolving around these objects. Okay, we have only one satellite of the Earth, that is Moon. But then if you go to what do you call that is Saturn, it has 83 number of satellites. Jupiter has more than 75 satellites. So there are many number of satellites. So these planets, their satellites, then asteroids. some of the rock-like structure, they are still revolving around the sun somewhere. Okay, they comes, and then small forces, small rocks, we call them meteorites. So all these and the dust particles and everything. So all this we consider as one single solar system, inclusive of sun. So all other one side, like planets, their satellites, their asteroids, meteorites, and dust particles. We keep them one side and sun one side. So what is the comparison? All these other things, they will form a mass that is only 1% of the solar system. Okay? And 99% of the mass is concentrated in the sun. So sun is a very huge body, very big in size. Very huge material is concentrated in sun. So that much of material is there. So when it starts ejecting light, you can see from the surface now. Can you see some flares are coming out? So flares are coming out. And due to this, there is a solar wind. These flares go up to 40 kilometers away from the sun's surface. Right? And lot of heat is ejected. And similarly, lot of other material like some ions are ejected, some photons are ejected. Okay? As well as there is a lot of what we call that is magnetic field that we can experience. So these are called solar storms. Sun's flare that causes solar storm. Okay? And sudden explosion of